How to fix Pandora app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Launch settings. Click on the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Also, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Solution 2. Update the app Pandora. For that, launch your app store, search for the app Pandora. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Solution 3. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings, click on the option General, click on iPhone Storage. Here you're going to find the list of the apps. From this list, find Pandora and then open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. If the solution doesn't work for you, you'll need to delete your Pandora app. For that, click on Delete App and click on Delete. Then you can navigate to the App Store, search for the app Pandora, and then install it. With this solution, your Pandora app should work. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.